Hey, fabulous fashionistas, ready to take your eye makeup game to the next level? Let's dive into some tips and tricks to help you master the art of eye makeup like a pro. Experiment with different styles until you find the one that makes you feel like $1,000,000. Bold smoky eye, subtle everyday look, or a pop of color. There's no one size fits all in beauty. Next, remember that quality is king. Invest in a top-notch eyeshadow palette, a long-lasting eyeliner, and a volumizing mascara. These are your tools to creating a captivating look that lasts. Before you paint your masterpiece, remember to prep and prime. A good primer will make your eyeshadow stick around longer and prevent any unwanted creasing. That way, your eye makeup stays on point from dawn till dusk. Now, onto the art of blending. It's what separates the amateurs from the pros. Use a fluffy brush and blend those shades together until you can't tell where one ends and the other begins. And remember, practice is your best friend here. Don't be afraid to play around with different techniques. Cut creases, winged eyeliner, the works. The beauty world is your oyster, and there are plenty of tutorials and blogs out there to guide you along your journey. While we're on the topic of experimentation, why not embrace color? Sure, neutrals are a classic choice, but a splash of vibrant eyeshadow or colored eyeliner can add a fun, playful touch to your routine. And finally, the cherry on top of any eye makeup look, flawless lashes. A swipe of volumizing or lengthening mascara will make your eyes pop and complete your masterpiece. So there you have it. These tips and tricks are your guide to mastering the art of eye makeup. Here's to creating stunning looks that will turn heads wherever you go. Remember to have fun, embrace your unique style, and above all, stay fabulous. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you can stay up to date on all the latest videos and never miss out on the latest content drops. Your support means everything and helps me continue to create more exciting and engaging videos for you to enjoy.